You'll learn how to connect to both Ethernet and a cellular adapter at the same time on your Mac. If your Mac has a built-in Ethernet port, use an Ethernet cable to connect it to your router or modem. Otherwise, you can use a USB or Thunderbolt to Ethernet adapter, or even a USB hub with a port. To confirm your connection status, visit the System Preferences, then Network, and look for your new adapter in the list. Connect your cellular adapter to a USB port on your Mac. Some cellular adapters require the use of proprietary dialer software to connect to the internet, so be sure to follow the manufacturer's installation and operating instructions closely. Then, to confirm your connection status, visit System Preferences, then Network, and look for your new adapter in the list. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify, either from our site at speedify.com or directly from the Mac App Store. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWRT and powered by Speedify routers. Speedify takes the stress out of staying online, giving you a faster, more reliable connection you can count on. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.